Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Hunter channel. I'm Syed. Have you noticed that after using Windows for a few months, your computer no longer feels as fast as it did when it was new? Apps take longer to open. File Explorer becomes sluggish. Games and software take more time to launch, and the surprising part is, in many cases, it's not caused by viruses or hardware problems. Instead, some default Windows settings and background features gradually consume your RAM, storage, and processor resources. Most people don't even know these settings exist. So in today's video, I'll show you 3 important Windows settings that can help improve PC performance, reduce startup time, free up storage space, make your system run more smoothly. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Disable startup apps. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. This will open Task Manager. Now click on Startup Apps from the left sidebar. Here you'll see a list of applications that automatically start when Windows boots up. Examples include Discord, Spotify, Microsoft Teams, Adobe Services, Steam, and many others. The problem is, even when you're not using these apps, they still start in the background and consume RAM and CPU resources. As a result, your computer takes longer to boot. Now click on any app that you don't use every day. Then click the Disable button at the top. Apps marked as high impact usually have the biggest effect on startup performance, so disabling unnecessary ones can make a noticeable difference. Optimize visual effects. Now click on Windows Search and type. Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Open the result. You'll see the Visual Effects tab. By default, Windows enables various animations, fade effects, shadows, and visual enhancements. While these effects look nice, they also consume CPU and graphics resources. This is especially noticeable on older laptops and lower-end PCs. Select Adjust for best performance, then click Apply. If you don't want to disable every visual effect, choose Custom instead and keep only these 2 options enabled. Smooth edges of screen fonts. Show thumbnails instead of icons. This gives you a good balance between appearance and performance. Remove temporary files. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type %10% and click OK. A folder will open containing temporary files created by Windows and various applications. Most of these files are no longer needed. Press Ctrl plus A to select everything. Then press Delete. If some files cannot be deleted, simply click Skip. Finally, right-click on the recycle bin and select Empty Recycle Bin. In many cases, this can free up several gigabytes of storage space. Use Storage Recommendations. Open Settings. Then click System. Then click Storage. Then click Cleanup Recommendations. Windows will automatically show you large files and unnecessary data that are taking up valuable storage space. From here, you can quickly remove old files and reclaim storage. These 3 settings only take a few minutes to change, but they can help keep your Windows PC faster, cleaner, and more responsive. If you're using an older computer, the difference can be even more noticeable. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment below, and tell me which tip helped you the most. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Hunter channel for more Windows tips, Android tricks, and technology tutorials. I'm Syed, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.